Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Racnna Beauty, a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in FCT, Nigeria. Initially, this video I wanted to do a knotless box braid on my head by myself, but unfortunately, because this is the first time of me trying it out on myself, I kind of not get the precise cutting of the box. So in doing a knotless braid, you kind of braid your natural hair, like I guess 1 inch is okay, before you add your braid to it, and then braid the rest of it, just like I'm doing in this video. In this video, I'm kind of using my used braid. So on the long run, the box cutting of the hair, I later get the style of cutting it, and it kind of came out beautiful and okay. So at the end of this video, the hair kind of came out like being a natural hair without any braid added to it. People begin to ask me, did you add anything? I said yes, I had, because the way the knotless was braided and the braid added to it was kind of invisible to the hair. So if you want to braid a knotless braid naturally, you braid like 1 inch of your natural hair before you add your braid to it, and I think that's a perfect way of braiding a knotless braid. So this hair kind of later on turned to a knotless Bob Marley, which is also good for a summer because of the heat, and if you are the type that don't like hair touching your body, so this kind of help a lot. You just pack it all up and do it at the tips. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. It's not a perfect video, it's a try and error video, and I kind of wanted to be real in this video. It's not every video that is perfect, so I guess you accept it just the way I am. Excuse my voice, it's as a result of cold water. You know, we are in a heat period, summer period, so I guess I needed a little coldness in my body. So this was as a result of the cold water. Pardon me for that. So this process is done throughout the hair, just the way I am doing in this video. So again, this hair later turned to a knotless box Bob Marley braid. So it's beautiful for summer period and heat period as well. So I guess this is a perfect hairstyle for those that sweat and experience it a lot during this period.